Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple trick to make Gmail automatically display pictures in your emails, so you never have to click display images again. This is a small change that makes checking your emails faster and much more enjoyable, especially if you receive a lot of newsletters or photo-rich messages. Open Gmail settings. First, open Gmail on your desktop. Look at the top right corner and click on the gear icon. From the dropdown, select See All Settings. This will open Gmail's full settings menu, giving you access to all the advanced preferences you need. Locate the Images setting. Once you're in the settings, make sure you're on the General tab. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Images. By default, Gmail is set to Ask before displaying external images, which means it will block images until you click to show them. Change to Automatic Display. To save time and make images appear automatically, select the option that says Always Display External Images. This tells Gmail to load images in every incoming email without asking you each time. Save your changes. Almost done. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is an important step because your new setting won't take effect until you do. And that's it. From now on, all images in your emails will load automatically, making your Gmail experience smoother and more visually friendly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another quick Gmail tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.